Hello, food lovers! Welcome back to the peoples of the world. Today, we're taking you on a culinary journey to Morocco, where we'll learn how to make the traditional Moroccan Tajine. This dish is a flavorful and aromatic delight, perfect for any occasion. Let's get started. Before we dive into the cooking, let's talk a bit about what Tajine is. Tajine is both the name of the dish and the conical clay pot it's cooked in. The unique shape of the pot helps to steam the food, keeping it moist and tender. Now, let's gather our ingredients. Ingredients: 1 whole chicken, cut into pieces, or 1 kilogram of lamb or beef, 2 large onions, finely chopped, 3 cloves of garlic, minced, 2 large tomatoes, peeled and chopped. 1 cup of green olives, 1 preserved lemon, quartered, half a cup of olive oil, 1 cup of water or chicken broth, fresh cilantro and parsley, chopped, spices, 1 teaspoon ground ginger, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon ground turmeric, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon black pepper, salt to taste, a pinch of saffron threads, optional. First, prepare your ingredients. Chop the onions, peel and chop the tomatoes, and mince the garlic. Cut the chicken or meat into pieces and set everything aside. Place your meat in a large bowl. Add the ground ginger, cumin, cinnamon, turmeric, paprika, black pepper, and salt. Drizzle with olive oil and mix well, ensuring all pieces are evenly coated. Let it marinate for at least an hour, or overnight for best results. Now, let's start cooking. If you have a Tajine pot, that's great. If not, a heavy-bottomed pot will work just fine. Place your Tajine pot on low heat and add olive oil. Once the oil is warm, add the chopped onions and garlic. Sauté until they are soft and translucent. Next, add the marinated meat to the pot. Sear it on all sides until it's brown and the spices are fragrant. Stir in the chopped tomatoes, preserved lemon quarters, and green olives. Pour in the water or chicken broth. This will create a rich and flavorful sauce. Cover the Tajine with its lid and let it simmer on low heat for about 1.5 to 2 hours. The slow cooking process will ensure that the meat is tender and the flavors are well developed. If you're using a regular pot, you can simmer it for the same amount of time. After the cooking time is up, add the chopped cilantro and parsley to the pot. Stir well to combine. Let it cook for an additional 10 minutes to allow the herbs to release their flavors. Your Moroccan Tajine is now ready to be served. Traditionally, it's enjoyed with Moroccan bread called khobz, which is perfect for soaking up the delicious sauce. You can also serve it with couscous or rice. Carefully transfer the Tajine to a serving dish, or serve it directly from the Tajine pot for an authentic touch. Garnish with a few extra olives and some fresh herbs.